I'm going to show you how to publish your Shopify store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this process is very simple, but you will need a Shopify plan. So I will leave a link with a special offer on the description below, which will get you any Shopify plan for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So for example, in my case, I have chosen the most expensive plan, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, I got it for just €1. So after you have your Shopify store ready, you need to go to online store, then preferences right here. And as you can see, by default, it will have a password protection that will restrict the access to the visitors. So if you click right here and turn that password protection off, then you just need to save the changes like this. And now your store is open to everyone and it's public. So you should also choose a homepage title. So this way is how people will find your Shopify store when searching for it on Google. So for example, I can put tech shop, and that's the homepage name that it will have when searching for it on Google. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.